In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website navigation bar in Canva. If you're building a site in Canva, the navigation bar is automatically created from your page titles. So the key is naming your pages clearly, previewing how the menu looks, and then publishing with the navigation included. Start by opening the website project you're working on so you're inside the Canva editor. To manage your page titles, head to Grid View. You'll find this as an icon with 4 small squares near the bottom right of the editor. Grid View shows all your pages at once, making it easy to see what's included in your site. Next, hover over a page thumbnail and click the 3 dots, also labeled More. From that menu, choose Add Page Title. Type a short, descriptive title for the page, like Home, About, Services, or Contact. Keep titles concise and clear. These words will become the links in your navigation menu, so aim for simple, recognizable labels. Repeat this process for every page you want included in your navigation. As you work, think about the order of your pages, because the navigation menu follows the sequence of pages in your design. Consistency helps to use a similar style for each title, such as capitalizing the first letter of each word. When your pages are titled, go to the menu bar above the editor and click Preview. This opens a live preview of your website. In the preview window, make sure the Include Navigation menu checkbox is selected. You should now see a navigation bar, typically at the top, using the exact page titles you set. This is your chance to check for typos, overly long labels, or anything that might wrap awkwardly. If you need to fix a title, close the preview, adjust the page title, and preview again until everything looks right. If you're happy with how the navigation looks, close the preview and click Publish Website in the top right. When the Publish settings appear, confirm that Include Navigation menu is checked. This ensures your live site displays the menu for visitors. Then finalize the publishing process. That's it. Thanks for watching.